Perpendicular lines, they meet just so, form a perfect right angle, we all know. Standing tall like a crossroads snap, geometry grooves in a funky math rap. Intersecting lines, now don't you fear, they cross each other, that's crystal clear. Different angles born when they unite, it's a mathy dance floor, all black and white. Lines that meet and lines that stray, perpendicular across they play. Parallel just go their own way, math's got a rhythm every single day. Parallel lines, they never collide, keep their distance, they're side by side. Infinity stretch with no connection, yet they groove in flawless direction. Angles sharp, obtuse so right, shapes assemble line by line on sight. Measuring steps in their own time zone, dance in the language of math alone. Four-side square, let's find the sum. Add coordinates and let equations hum. Multiply, divide, fractions align. Fourth grade math keeps us in time.